Hi and welcome to this DCP Web 8 super useful websites you wish you knew. Number 1 on our list, CamelCamel.com. Strange name I know, but super useful website. Check it out here. So why is this website so useful? This website allows you to track historic prices for products listed on Amazon. So in this example, I'll click on the flag here. I'm going to select UK because I'm based in the UK. So now I can check prices on amazon.co.uk. So in this example, I will search for a graphic card. Here is a graphic card that I may want to purchase. I'm going to copy the URL at the top here and then go back to this website and paste in the URL here and then click search. Here you can see the historic prices and when the product was at its lowest price, and you can see the current price here. You can also set up an option here to set a desired price, so we can select best price here and then we can put in our email address and then start tracking. When the price hits this value, we'll receive an automated email telling us that the purchase can be completed at that specific price. I find this website super useful because it allows me to see what the prices were for a product previous before I make a purchase. Number 2 on our list, twofoods.com. Have you ever wanted to compare the nutritional value of two different types of products? Why not head over to twofoods.com. Here you can enter in two different types of foods and compare them. So let's compare apples and pears. When we click the compare button, we can see a full breakdown based on the serving size, the calories, the carbs, the fat, protein. So this is a great way to keep track of what you're intaking and compare two different products. You can also check things like fish and steak. And when we do this search, we can see a different set of results. So why not try twofoods.com and compare some foods and see what nutritional value you're getting from your food. Number 3 on our list, scribblemaps.com. Are you planning a trip overseas? Why not use Scribble Maps to make a plan of the places you're going to visit and share that with friends and family. Head over to scribblemaps.com and click on the yellow Create Your Map Now button. In this example, we'll search for London. Here we can see London in the UK, and the goal of this quick example is to place some pins on the map to show where we're going. So let's click on the marker tool and we'll select number 1, and in this example we're going to Leicester Square first. You can add a title and a description if you choose to do so. Let's click save. Let's add another pin on Piccadilly Circus. We'll add one more on Covent Gardens, and we'll add the final one just here near the London Eye. So you can add as many pins as you like and you can place them on the map, and once you've finished placing the pins on the map, you can click on the menu button here and then click save map. Here you need to give the map a title and a description. So let's say places. We'll click on the save map. We can either have it public, unlisted, secure or encrypted. In this case we're going to have it public because Pro is required for the other 3. Let's click save map. Here we can see the different links, so we can copy this link and we can send that to a friend or family. There's an edit link as well, and there's an image link here as well. So let's close this map. And we'll open a new tab and paste that link in. Here we can see the map loads up with the overlays here, places in London that we're going to visit. Number 4 on our list, PrintFriendlycom. PrintFriendly.com is a super useful website. This website allows you to simply convert an existing website into a printer-friendly version. saving you cost on printer ink and paper. So let's give this site a go. Let's head over to PrintFriendlycom. I'm going to go to my own website and copy this URL. Let's go back to this website and paste in the URL here. We'll click preview and give it a few seconds, and you'll see a printer friendly version of your website is generated. You can print this version directly, save it as a PDF, or email it. So why not give this website a check, and if you need to edit content, let's edit it in a printer friendly way, and hopefully you'll save some cost on ink and paper. Number 5 on our list, WeTransfer. Have you ever needed to send large files to friends or customers? Why not use WeTransfer to send large attachments to your friends or customers with a few simple mouse clicks? So head over to WeTransfer.com. Click here to add files up to 2 gigabytes. Enter in the email addresses where you want to send. You can send up to 20 people. Enter in your email address and then enter in a message. Then simply click the transfer button. Wait for all the files to upload and see a successful sign. Once that's done, your files have been transferred. It's as simple as that. Number 6 on our list, Recycle. Wouldn't it be great if you could give away things you no longer want rather than taking them straight to the rubbish dump? Why not check out Recycledorg? Here you can search for a certain location. So let's search for London. Here you'll see all the different London locations. We're going to search for London in the United Kingdom. When this page loads, you'll see all items, things that are on offer and things that people want. Let's click on offers, and here you'll see a list of offers. So if you're opening a new business or you're working from home and you want a black desk and some office chairs, then you can contact this person and they'll likely give you those black desk and office chairs totally free. Let's click on that. Adjustable chair for potential use as an office desk, comfortable, minimal stains, in full working condition, collection only. So contact this person and you can get the desk and the chairs absolutely free. Or why not click on things that people want? So here you can see someone's looking for baby stuff, or they're looking for baby toys, or they're looking for flowers, or they're looking for a working bike, or a broken one in fact, so they can mend it and start using it again. So why not help out people that are looking for things, or why not take something off someone else that no longer wants their item? Number 7 on our list, myfridgefood.com. So it's getting to the end of the week and your fridge is looking a little empty, but you still got some food there. Let's not let that food go to waste. So head over to myfridgefood.com. Here you can see a selection of foods, and you can type some in as well and search for ingredients. But in this case, we're going to select butter, cheese, chicken. We'll also select lemons, mushrooms, onions, some rice, maybe some garlic, general fish and some eggs. So let's just say that this is what we've got left in our fridge. Obviously you may have some more other things, but we'll click find recipes. So this website will produce some tasty food recipes for you based on what food you selected that you have in your fridge. So let's not let that food go to waste. Number 8 on our list, Meetup.com. Have you got some spare time on your hands? Want to learn something new? Why not check out Meetup.com. So on this website you can find loads of events where you can meet like-minded people on a specific subject category. So let's take a look at health and wellness. So when you click on this category, you can see various events that will be local to you. So for example, let's take a look at free Tai Chi in London Fields. So when we click on that, we can read about this event, where it's located, where you need to go, what is required, and this one happens to be for free. So why not experience and learn something new and check out Tai Chi at London Fields. There's loads of other events listed on this website, so it's down to your own taste and what you would like to do. So check out this site when you got some free time and learn something new today.